Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I have the Vargo VX4 here. I'm going to do some gaming, but first I'm just going to see if Fortnite Chapter 2 is compatible. Fortnite is not really a game that I play, but I just want to make sure it's compatible with this device. It's downloading, so I'm assuming it might be. So it has 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, and a Helio P23 octa-core CPU. Oh, it's installing, it says. Let's have a look. Oh, and it seems to be compatible. Wow. Okay, so this £97 smartphone, the Vargo VX4, is compatible. Obviously, there's a 6 gig download to run first. I'll do that later. And after all of that, device not supported. Why does it take you through all of that? Luckily I didn't have to download the 6 gig file first, but yeah, not supported. Okay, so let's kick off this gaming test and let's launch Call of Duty Mobile. Okay, so we have the simple mode layout. Let's see what graphical settings it has. So it's set to low, normal. I'm going to put them up to medium and a high frame rate. Octa-core processor, 6 gigs of RAM, should be able to handle that. Let's go back and let's start a game and just look, that rich, vibrant display. Beautiful. Let's go. Okay, we're about to go into battle. Oh, not a great start. Does this look too bright? No, that's full brightness, okay. And it does look really, really good on the display here. I don't know how if it's presenting that on the camera as well, but it does look great. Jesus. Seems to be smooth at the moment. There we go, 1 kill. Two kills. Any more? 3 kills, there we go. Bomb. Bomb. Bomber. Let's see how smooth this is. Just keep him running. I mean, that looks... doesn't seem to be any jittery skippiness or anything like that. It's running freely. Quite happy with that. Dodging everyone's bullets. Come on then. Come on. Yay. Too close. Come on. Has he not even seen me? Whee. Let's pick up a normal gun. Oh. Trusty handgun. Boom. Hey, someone forgive me. Let's go again. What's this? Open crate. Oh. We're going to be dead in a minute. We've done absolutely terrible this. I think the gameplay overall has been okay. I Obviously I did increase the graphics and the frame rate, but I have played smoother. So by the looks of this, I think you might want to keep maybe the frame rate down a little bit, and maybe keep the graphics as normal. Because it was a little bit jittery in some places. I think actually stick to the recommendations that the phone offers you when opening the application up. I obviously increase the graphics and the frame rate. Well, obviously you can experiment, but the game does run and it runs okay. Let's launch Asphalt 9, have a game of that, see how that performs. So by default, it is set to default, and I'm going to leave that like that. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Vargo VX4, Asphalt 9. Check performance on this bad boy. Oh, that was a little skip there, I thought. Visually it looks nice. There's no problems really with graphics. Just a slight little blip at the start. Seems to be running fairly smoothly now. Oh, a bit of lag there as well. And there. Okay, it doesn't like that, does it? A bit sticky and laggy there. Whoa. Wipes out. Okay, so won the race. So visually it looks good. There were a few moments in the race where there was a bit of lag there. I'm sure you noticed that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop the graphical settings down. Okay, so I've popped the visual quality down to, well, performance really. So we hopefully get a better performing game next time. Okay, so we're on performance now, performance settings, so hopefully we experience better performance. Let's see. Let's see if it freezes again. Okay, so far so good. Don't want to speak too soon though. Yeah, definitely looking better. Which I'm pleased about. And boom. Yeah, so that race there didn't seem to have any real glitches at all. So although it has 6 GB of RAM and an octa-core CPU, it does struggle to play on high intense graphical games like this and Call of Duty. So These sort of games you could probably have to run on lower graphical settings to get a better experience. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please comment down below your thoughts or any questions you may have. Run games on this phone like that at low graphical settings and you should be fine. Links are in the description below guys if you want to take a look. It's on Banggood at £97 at the moment I think. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.